Hi guys, I am going to walk you through the video for this week. I'm sorry, the presentation for this week. That's your first slide. The first thing you gotta do is search online the following facts about Argentina. That's the country Argentina that I'm talking about. Please use your Google skills. Make sure you are looking for the capital city, their currency, population, typical food, what countries have borders with Argentina, and what oceans touch Argentina's coast. We have done this in the past in class. You're going to do this on your own this time, and all you have to do is click on the light yellow boxes and type your answers. Next slide is watch the following video to learn the vocabulary you will be using this week. You watch the video and then you will click your boxes to tell me what these words mean. Then you must go to the next slide and please guys read instructions. That's the most important thing you have to do when you're learning online. So on this one says, in the next slide, there will be a calendar. Depending on the day you are working on it, you must label the calendar with the words hoy, ayer, anteayer, la semana pasada. Hoy means today. So let's say that you are working on April 22nd on your calendar. So your hoy today obviously will be April 22nd. For this one, you have to click on text box and create a text box and come to the calendar and you're going to type hoy because that's you telling me when you are doing it. So click type hoy and so on. Make sure that you label ayer, anteayer, y la semana pasada. What would be yesterday, the day before yesterday, and last week? That is just an example. So moving on, remember the weather vocabulary? You are going to review it. It's right here. And in the next slide, there will be a table for you to track the weather this week. You must track 7 days. So you must label the days and the weather for each day. If you want, you can add a picture of the weather. So this is your table. All you have to do is click on it. I already added the text boxes for you. And you must put the days in Spanish. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, etc. So that's how you start. And then on the second box, you're going to tell me how's the weather in Spanish. If it's hot, hace calor. On Monday, you will type hace calor. And I encourage you guys to insert a picture so I know what you're trying to say in case you are misspelling it. So if it's sunny, you put sunny day. And you can simply click on the picture, insert, and you shape it so it'll fit your presentation. There we go. Shape. And then just move it to your date. And let's say that's Monday, lunes. There you go. So I suggest you open this document and leave it open up until Friday or Sunday, or you can use the Sunday and Saturday from last week. That's your choice. Okay, now, next, I need to add the text box in there. So there you go. So now, after you're done tracking your weather, you will try and log into your Rosetta Stone account. This is the new website we will be using. You're going to follow this link. Guys, make sure you click on it and then click again on this little window that opens, and it'll take you to the Rosetta Stone classroom. Your username is going to be your lunch ID, and your password is ABC123. Guys, please read this. Password is all together, ABC123, no space and all lowercase. Your number, it's just your number, no spaces. Now, please read the next slide before you log in. Once you are done with your activities in this document, please work 1 full hour on your Rosetta Stone account. When you log in, you can click on Launch Rosetta Stone Foundations to start from the beginning, or click Placement Test to see which category you fall into. I suggest if you are a native speaker or you speak Spanish at home, that you click on your placement test so you won't start from ground zero. If you are a Spanish learner, this is people that do not speak Spanish at home, I suggest you start from the foundations so you can get a quick review of everything and basic Spanish vocabulary. This will put you ahead and ready to go for Spanish 2. Like always, email me with questions, but if you have questions about these activities, if you watch this video again, you will find it. But feel free to email me at any time, and I'll be happy to help. Also, with your Rosetta Stone account, if you are unable to log in, please email me immediately. This is all for this week, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.